collaboration about? I'll come up a little closer.
Well, somebody came up with this great idea to create 44 busts of Obama, representing the 44th President of the United States. And they chose to select 44 prominent African-American artists to render each one of those busts. And it's going to be part of a exhibition in Detroit, the Museum of African-American Art and History in Detroit.
And your partnership is with?
It's Larry Pacho Brown and myself, Charles Bibbs.
Now tell us a little bit about all this writing right here.
Well, these are all the people that are represented who were instrumental in African-American history, that were responsible for this man being where he is today.
Okay, we're going to put you on the line. Who are you voting for?
Bush.
Hey, Charles, I appreciate it. Larry even like that one. So this is the caliber and quality of work that we are looking at from these super artists who for years now have done collaborations, right?
Yeah, right.
All right, we're going to end it because the sound is bad and your fans are here. So thank you very much, all.
Thank you.
Maybe I'll come back later and we'll do more.
Blaze out.
Blaze out.